We are going to look at different options to extrude an object. So let us go to add mesh cube, hit the tab key, right click, subdivide. Now if you want to move this face down only, so if you extrude, you get this. So what you can do is you can go to mesh, extrude, extrude main fold, and only that face will go down. Okay, so if you hit Alt E, main fold, you get that. If you select multiple faces and extrude it, they are all connected. So I'll undo that, and if I hit Alt E and use extrude individual faces, now I can scale them individually. So that's just another way of multiple ways of using extrude. Thank you.